Completed? Yeah, next one. Finally write this, how we got these values. Okay, A00 means 1, like finally. Completed, right, the diagram? Yeah, guys. Now see next program, right? Completed, right? Next, right? Read M by N matrix from the user. Print it on the screen. Yeah, this is input, guys. For example, see input we enter like this: 3 rows, 3 columns. Yeah, elements are what? One, anything we can enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Yeah, what is this element, guys? You know, right? First element is A00, next A01, A02, next this one A10, A11, A12. Next this element is, guys, A20, A21, A22. This is A00, A01, A02, A00, A01, A02, A10, A11, and A12, A20, A21, and A22. Okay. Now we have to read these all elements, guys. How to read? This is M by N, rows, columns, 3 rows, 3 columns. Reading and printing you have to do. Okay. This is rows, columns. Okay. We have to read, guys. We write a program. See how to read and how to print it. Matrix elements, guys. Yeah, guys. See once. Then how to read these values? Now I want to take a int of 10 by 10, maximum 10 rows, 10 columns. If you want 100, take 100, guys. That is your age. 100 rows, 100 columns. Yeah, what are the variables required? Rows and columns are C, I, and J values. Okay. Read rows and columns, guys. First, I want to enter printf series. Enter rows and columns of the matrix. How many rows you want? Okay. What I have to read, guys? Scanf. We have to read percentile, address of R and address of C, rows and columns, right? Now 3 by 3. For example, if I enter 3 rows, 3 columns, 3 rows and 3 columns. Now we have to read the elements. How to read, guys? See, for I is 0, I less than rows, I plus plus. We have to use this, right? Can see this. Two loops we have to use, guys. One is for rows, one is for columns. J is what? 0 rows, J less than columns. It is starting from where? J plus plus. Okay. Now first element, if I is 0, how it execute, I will tell you. See this, scanf, we have to take scanf, percentile D, we have to take percentile D, address of Aij. What is I value? First rows, next columns. Now see this, guys, I will explain. First I is 0, what happens? If I is 0, for example, I entered 3 by 3, R is 3, column is 3. Okay, rows and columns. Now see this. I is how much, guys? I is 3, I is 0. First, whenever it is 0, I is 0, J value how many times will execute? J will execute 0, next J plus plus 1, again J plus plus 2. Now what are the combinations? This I write 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. First value will write 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Next again J plus plus. Whenever it is 3, it come outside. Now it is 3, guys. 3 less than 3 false. Next I plus plus. Whenever it is I is 1, again J value will execute 3 times. Again 0, 1, 2, and 3, guys. J1, 2, 3 times. Again 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Whenever it is 3, come outside. Again I is 2. Whenever it is 2, again 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Again it is 3, false. Again if I is 3, it come outside. Okay, reading and printing. This I will give a message, enter array elements here. This is for reading, guys. Printf. Now see this. Enter enter what I have to write, guys. Columns of the right. What are the matrix elements? Enter matrix elements. How to enter matrix elements? Then see this. The same way, copy paste the same loop, guys. Reading and printing purpose also. See this. Same rows. How many rows and how many columns? Paste. Yeah, here I will give matrix elements are. What are the matrix elements are? We are going to print matrix elements are. How to print matrix elements? Instead of percentile scanf, we use right printf, guys. That is for printing, right? While printing the elements, give some space. Aij. We have to use aij. This is for reading purpose. This is for printing purpose. Okay. After printing every line, give slash n, guys. We have to use slash n. Yeah. Statement missing error. Semicolon here. See this. Printf. There is no semicolon. Now we read. This is for reading and this is for one loop is for right. This is for reading, guys. Scanf aij. This is for printing. Printf aij. Okay. See this. Enter the rows, three columns. Enter the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, matrix elements are 1, 2, 3. It is printing. You don't want like this. Matrix format I want. Here I will write a next line here. Yeah, enter the rows, guys. Rows, 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements only it will read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is for printing, guys. Reading and printing, you have to do like this. Write this program, read n by n matrix and print it on the screen. This is a program, guys. Completed, huh? Yeah, till here same, guys. Reading everything is same. Enter the rows, columns. Reading till here same, but remaining logics are different, guys. Completed this program. Till 100 it accepts, Pawan. More than 100 it won't accept. Segmentation fault. Completed. Yeah, guys. Next one is, see this. I want a diagonal element sum. 156. This diagonal is there, right? A00, A11. You know, right? This is are called diagonal elements. Now this is another diagonal. 159. I want the difference of these two diagonal elements sum. Okay, what is the output I want? Absolute difference of diagonal element sum. Yeah, guys, I want first diagonal, guys. See once how to write a first diagonal. This is 159. 159. What is 159, guys? A00, A11, A22. Right? This first diagonal element sum I want. A00, first diagonal. Okay, how to get a first diagonal, guys? See this first diagonal elements. What are the first diagonal elements? Yeah, guys, we can check it. A00, A11, A22. Yes or no? Yeah, I equals to J. We can write Divya. Okay, good, Divya. But two loops you can write. In one loop also I am going to write first element A00, A11, A22. I want sum of these elements, right? Then how I can write? Can I write like this, guys? See this. For I equals to 0, okay, I less than rows, I plus plus. I want 3 means rows means 3, right? 3 rows. Sum equals to, can I write sum 1 equals? What is sum 1 equals? 1 plus ai comma I. Sorry, ai only. See this. What is ai? Now I am not writing aij. Now I is 0, right? A00. If I is 1, A11. If I is 2, A22. This value will get some value. First sum will get A00, A11, A22. You understood, right? I is 0, I less than 3. Sum 1 equals to sum 1. First initially sum 1 is how much? 0. Sum 1 is equals to 0. Same. Sum 2 also we take same, guys. Now second diagonal elements. I want second diagonal elements, guys. What are the second diagonal elements? See this. Now we write second diagonal elements. Second diagonal element. What are second diagonal? A02. This I want this, right? 3, 5, 6. This is second diagonal elements. 3, 5, 6. What are 3, 5? Sorry, 3, 5, 7. A02, A11, A20. Now A02, A02, A11, same A11, A20. What I can write, guys? See this. What is second diagonal elements? How to get? This is 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0. Can I write any relation? Can you make any relation, guys? Yes. I plus j. What is I plus j? 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. Nothing but a row minus 1. If I plus j, 2 loops is required. One way you can, two ways, two models I will write. See this. For write both two ways, guys. I is 0, I less than rows, I plus plus. Same, two loops is required. J equals to, what I have to write, guys? For j equals to 0, j less than columns, j plus plus. Yeah, can I write a second diagonal? How to get second diagonal? If I plus j equals to, what is I plus j? I plus j equals to row minus 1. If I plus j equals to row minus 1, that is row plus 1, huh? Sorry, 2, right? 0 plus 2 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2. Row minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Then sum 2 will get. How to get sum 2, guys? Sum 2 equals to sum 2 plus aij. Yeah, this is what you can write second diagonal sum. This is a one way, guys. This is a first model. Sum 2 equals to sum 2 plus, we can write this. Sum 2 equals to sum 2 plus aij. I plus j equals to r minus 1. I is 0, I less than r. J equals to 0, j less than j. I plus j equals to row minus 1. Yeah, with one loop can I write? Yes, we can write a second method, guys. This is how to get second method. Yeah, can you write with one loop, guys? I will try to write one loop. See this. I am going to write a for I equals to 0, I less than rows or columns, I less than r, I plus plus. See, can I write like this? Sum 2 equals to second model. How to write second model, guys? How to get second sum 2 equals to, see this, sum 2 equals to sum 2 plus ai. This is what ai means. How much? First will get a0 will get a0, a1, a2 will get, this is okay. But second element I will get 0 2 2 ravali, 1 ravali, next 0 ravali. I will get, can I write what I can write, guys? Can you tell me, guys? 2 1 0 ravali, 2 1 0 రావాలంటే ఏం రాయాలి? C minus or R minus, R minus I minus 1. What is R minus I minus 1? First R is how much? 3. 3 minus 0 minus 1. 3 minus 0 minus 1 is how much? 2. Next time is what? 3 minus 1 minus. Next time is 1. Next time is 0. We'll get these values. This is with the two second loop. We can write like this also. Are you following, guys? First diagonal sum and second diagonal sum. Are you following, guys? Two methods we can write. Okay, first diagonal elements and second diagonal elements. The program can I write? Yes, we can write second diagonal elements and first. What are the values is required? Sum 1 equals to 0 initially. Take sum 2 equals to 0. Till reading is same, right? I said till reading is same. Now first diagonal, second diagonal sum. మీరు అన్ని మోడల్స్ రాసుకోండి. See this. For I equals to 0, I less than rows, I plus plus. First sum. How to get a first sum, guys? Sum 1 equals to sum 1 plus ai. This is the first model. Second model, same, guys. Second sum also will get, right? What is second sum? Sum 2 equals to, in one loop can I write? Yes, right? Sum 2 equals, what I can write, guys? Sum 2 plus, can I write in one line? A of I, all values will be added. No, right? Yeah, sum 2 equals sum 2 plus r minus I minus 1. That is a 2 dimension. Then we'll get this 2, right? Print a absolute diagonal sum, guys. How to get a diagonal? Answer is what? Difference is what? What is the difference? Absolute difference you want, right? Percentile ABS of absolute means what? Positive vachna positive vastadi, negative vachna positive vastadi. Sum 1 minus sum 2. Sum 1 minus sum 2. Get the sum 1 minus sum 2, guys. See the diagonal sum. First, if I enter the elements like this, 1 plus 5 plus 9. 1 plus 5 plus 9. How much? 1 5 9. 9 5 14 15. Now 3 plus 7 plus 5 15. 0 answer will get. Okay, we try, guys. Enter the matrix elements. 3 3. Enter the elements. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Difference is 0. You got it, right? Same like you can write a two diagonal sum. ఇలా మోడల్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. First diagonal elements, first diagonal sum, second diagonal sum. You can write this model or this model. Okay, first write this, guys. First diagonal elements, absolute difference of diagonal elements sum. Right, first a00, a11, this